Hey there, camping enthusiasts! Today we're kicking off our list of the top 15 camping gadgets with something that's not only perfect for outdoor cooking, but will also elevate your grilling game to new heights. All the product links are on the description, so let's find out. Prepare delicious meals in the great outdoors with the Malumi Cookware Mess Kit. This 10-piece mega bundle, crafted from the highest quality non-toxic anodized aluminum that ensures quick heat conductivity. Whether you're a youth scout, adult hiker, or backpacker, this compact and lightweight kit is perfect for you. The bundle includes essentials like a non-stick pot cover, non-stick pan, bowls, stainless steel spork, soup spoon, wooden spoon spatula, cleaning sponge, all neatly packed in a nylon travel bag drawstring pouch. Cleanup is a breeze and storage is a cinch as the entire kit collapses into a small bundle. Say goodbye to worries in the wilderness. This camp kitchen set has you covered. Stay warm and comfortable during outdoor activities with the SLSY heated camping chair. Imagine having your own personal warmth at the touch of a button thanks to 3 heat settings: green for low, blue for medium, and red for high. With separate controls for the back and hip positions, you can tailor the warmth to your liking effortlessly. The high-density foam padding ensures exceptional comfort and back support, while the fully cushioned seat provides a delightful seating experience. Whether you're embarking on a winter camping trip or enjoying a fall bonfire, this heated chair is your perfect all-season companion. It folds to a compact 39 inches by 20 inches, comes with a storage bag for easy transport, and boasts a 10,000 mAh power bank for up to 10 hours of low-temperature bliss. Compatible with any USB battery pack, this foldable chair is not just for camping. Bring the warmth to your patio, picnics, sports events, and more. Illuminate your camping experience with the portable telescopic lantern. Its retractable design, paired with a convenient storage bag, ensures easy carrying and quick use. With adjustable telescopic features, tailor the light to your needs. The magnetic bottom securely attaches to metal surfaces, adding unparalleled convenience. Powered by a built-in 7,800 mAh rechargeable battery, this lantern offers 9 to 40 hours of light, doubling as a power bank for your devices. Choose from 3 brightness levels and customize color temperature from 1800K to 6500K, providing the perfect ambience. And don't forget the SOS mode for emergencies, waterproof with IPX7 at the head and IPX5 overall. This gadget guarantees a brilliant experience in any weather. Experience innovation with the Nest Out Outdoor Series, a game-changer in portable power innovation. Inspired by the charm of vintage outdoor gear, this battery pack seamlessly blends nostalgia with cutting-edge design, signaling a shift from fossil fuels to clean, renewable energy. But that's not all. These batteries mean business with fast-charging USB-C ports, smart power delivery, and a rugged shockproof, waterproof, and dustproof design. Perfect for all your outdoor adventures, these lithium-ion powerhouses even meet U.S. military standards for durability. And here's the kicker: they're not just batteries, they're part of a collection concept. Nest Out allows you to harness and recycle nature's energy, transforming it into light, wind, and heat. Meet Gas One Dual Fuel Stove. Whether you're out camping, hiking, or simply enjoying a backyard barbecue, this versatile stove is designed to meet all your culinary needs. Compatible with both butane and propane fuel, this ensures flexibility and convenience. With a single 8-ounce butane cartridge or a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, you're ready to ignite the flame and start cooking. Say goodbye to fumbling for lighters or matches thanks to the automatic piezoelectric ignition that effortlessly lights up your stove with a simple turn of the heat dial. Safety is priority, featuring a built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and a gas flow cutoff mechanism for butane. Rest assured that this gadget has your back with a secure cooking experience. Maintain hygiene in the great outdoors with the Boxio Wash hand washing station, your ultimate camping companion for a refreshing outdoor experience. Say goodbye to messy hands and embrace the convenience of Boxio camping hand washing station. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a family picnic, Boxio Wash is your go-to portable sink solution. Compact, portable, and eco-conscious, this unique design is crafted from recycled materials, blending style with sustainability. No installation necessary, just fill the canister, pump the faucet, and enjoy a mobile sink wherever adventure takes you. Lightweight and easy to transport, Boxio Wash is perfect for solo campers and adventurous families on the move. Securely hold your camping gear with the Suction Cup Camping Holder. Revolutionize your outdoor experience with a design that effortlessly adheres to any smooth, flat surface without a hint of scratches. The user-friendly mechanism ensures a secure lock in seconds. But here's where it gets even better. This holder is dual-size compatible, accommodating both 1.25-inch and 1.5 pole diameters. Plus, with a robust max load force of 2,010 pounds, it's a game-changer. And for those breezy beach days, it's got you covered. Just follow our pro tip on securing the guy rope for a worry-free adventure. Are you tired of inconsistent brews, too coarse grinds, or insufficiently tamped coffee grounds ruining your morning ritual? Elevate your coffee game with the Stanley Pour-Over Coffee Maker. Designed for the discerning coffee enthusiast, this stainless steel marvel ensures a perfect brew every time. The secret lies in its non-breakable, stylish stainless steel filter that extracts aromatic oils and subtle flavors, preserving the essence of your coffee. Whether you're at home, in the office, or outdoors, the Stanley Pour-Over delivers a professional-grade pour-over experience that's easy to use, environmentally friendly, and a breeze to clean. Keep your cooler contents illuminated with the Cooler Box Light. This innovative light ensures constant nighttime illumination for your cooler contents, providing up to 55 hours of vibrant white light and 30 hours of red light. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it can even withstand being submerged in ice for up to 48 hours. Compatible with all major cooler brands, including Yeti, Igloo, Coleman, and RTIC, this compact light requires no mounting and can be effortlessly placed anywhere in your cooler. Its magnetic base offers hands-free convenience, making it stand out from the competition. Explore multiple LED settings, from cool white for easy content identification to 3 grades of red light, perfect for enhancing night vision during activities like hunting or fishing. With a rechargeable battery and a blue LED power indicator, you'll never be caught in the dark. Tackle outdoor projects effortlessly with the portable mini chainsaw. Perfect for effortlessly trimming branches, clearing bushland, and cutting wood. Assembling in just 1 minute without the need for a screwdriver, this powerhouse boasts a 65 mm steel chain with exceptional strength and wear resistance. The 850-watt pure copper motor propels the chain at an impressive 39 feet per second, ensuring swift and efficient cuts. With dual 21-watt 2000 mAh lithium batteries, enjoy extended runtime and the flexibility to change batteries outdoors. The built-in LED light, safety baffle, and handguard enhance visibility and protect against debris, while the safety switch and power button prevent accidental starts. Paired with complimentary safety goggles and level 5 cut-resistant gloves, this mini chainsaw guarantees a secure and seamless user experience. This safe and easy-to-use blowtorch is crafted from professional-grade materials, ensuring a mouth-watering flame-broiled flavor every time you fire it up. But it's not just for grilling. You can use it for various culinary adventures. Whether you're searing a steak, caramelizing sugar on creme brulee, or even starting a campfire, this versatile tool has got you covered. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to take anywhere. It fits in your drawers, RV, or backpack, so you'll never be without the perfect tool to get a raging fire going at your next campsite. With adjustable flame control and a temperature regulator that goes over to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll have complete control over the flame for precise cooking. Plus, it's fuel compatible, working with propane, butane, MAP, and MAP Pro, fitting most propane tanks available in the market. Meet 14-in-1 RoverTac Multi-Tool. This stainless steel marvel combines a variety of functions that make it an absolute must-have for your camping gear. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this multi-tool is a real powerhouse, with features like an axe, knife, pliers, saw, hammer, wrenches, screwdrivers, bottle and can opener, and even a file. It's practically a toolbox in your pocket. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and any DIY survival emergencies you might encounter. And the best thing is it's compact and folds down to a size that fits right into your pocket or backpack. This multi-tool is a true camping essential that won't weigh you down, but will always be there when you need it most. Our next camping gadget is all about setting the perfect ambience at your campsite. Introducing the Lucy String Lights, a multifunctional and rechargeable lighting solution that will transform your camping experience. Featuring a detachable 44-foot cord, these lights are designed for convenience. With 3 modes, 20 lumens, 70 lumens, and 140 lumens, and a battery level indicator, you'll never be left in the dark. But it doesn't stop there. The built-in rechargeable 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery powers your mobile devices and can be charged via the solar panel or the built-in USB port, emitting 140 lumens of power across a 44-foot cord with 20 shatterproof bulbs and 41 white LEDs. These lights provide up to 40 hours of light on a single charge. And with an IPX4 water resistance rating, adjustable handle, and silicone-coated feet for stability, they're ready for any adventure. Let's talk about an essential that's often overlooked but can make a huge difference in your outdoor experience. Meet Fun Essentials All-in-One Portable Toilet Kit. This all-in-one kit includes a large portable folding toilet, a privacy pop-up tent, 12 trash bags, and 12 liquid waste gel chemicals. It's designed for field use and emergencies, folding down to just 22 inches for easy storage and transport. This gadget offers more comfort with increased height and a wider seat cover, a game changer, especially for the guys. And the Fun Essentials 6 feet 2 inches instant privacy tent ensures you have the utmost privacy for all your camping needs. As we reach the final spot on our list of top camping gadgets, we've got something tailored for those who love combining outdoor adventures with their passion for biking. GoHeimel Tailgate Pad Pro, the ultimate tailgate accessory for bike enthusiasts. This tailgate pad is not just a regular pad. It's crafted using high-quality 600D waterproof and abrasion-proof fabric. The scratch-resistant felt backing ensures that your pickup remains unscathed even when carrying mountain bikes, surfboards, or other gear during your drive to the next adventure. But what makes it truly special? This gadget comes with a bicycle fixing device, clamping securely in the groove on the pad. Along with the fixing belt, keeps your bicycle stable during the drive, minimizing the risk of bumps and scratches. With a 52-inch size, this tailgate pad is a universal fit for various pickup trucks, capable of carrying up to 5 bicycles. Added safety features include reflective strips and elements in the brand logo, ensuring visibility to other drivers during nighttime use.